Good morning, guys. Today's look, I'm going to do this look. And yes, this is my first time na ginawa ko to. And then if you are interested to know how I do this look, just keep on watching. Disclaimer lang, guys, I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm just sharing the things that I've learned also. So without too much talking, let's get started.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that.
Already did off-cam my eyebrows and I'm using the Best. Ito lang naman yung ginagamit ko. Ito lang Holy Grail. So, this is in the shade 2. And then I already primed my eyelids. And I'm using this Beauty Glaze Concealer. Gusto ko to yung concealer na to, guys. Very thick yung consistency niya. And kahit konti lang yung i-apply nyo, it comes a long way. So, without too much talking, let's get started. Okay, guys, I'm going to use this palette, the Crease Crown, and the first shadow that I'm going to take is this one, Tender. Okay, I have a hooded eyes, guys. So, pag sinabi nating hooded eyes, di ba, parang halos natatakpan na nito ng balat rito yung tulukap ng mata natin na to. So, I'm going to do is ilalagay ko to sa crease ko, ibabam ko siya. What it look like. It's darker, if you can see, dark to kaysa rito kasi every time na kailangan nyo talaga na magkaroon ng transition shade. And then I'm gonna take my concealer brush, and then I'm going to take then I'm going to take some of this. Then I'm going to take this is supposed to be like this. I can see anything on my eyes. Yes, this is what it look like, guys, and I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and then I'm going to take this shade right here, this charm. Then I'm gonna put here on this is what it look like, and then I'm gonna take ahead again this one. sorry, I'm going to head in this flat brush, and then I'm like what I did. I mixed the two. And then I'm going to take and anything doesn't have any harsh line. And yes, there's a lot of fallouts, to be honest. Suggest ko na pag magka-cut crease kayo, wag mo na kayo maglalagay ng contact lenses because all of the fallouts, guys. Because too much heavy to create. It's really hard, to be honest. But I'm going to take this, my Beauty Glaze pen liner. Then I'm gonna do a wing liner. The look. Ito yung itsura na, guys. And then I'll be back. Tatapusin ko tong isa. And then maglalagay na rin ako ng fake eyelashes. So keep on watching. And here you go, guys. This is the look. And then I'm going, before I put some lashes, bago ako mag-lashes, I'm going to put this here. This is a concealer. And at the page of my nose. I'm using this already off cam. This is a advanced BB cream I already put on my face, and then I'm going to use this Kumosi. I'm going to bronze my face. I will not going to put any contour, so I'm gonna use this. This is the Crease. Guys, I'm going to use this Gelitech Dual CC Matte Powder in the shades Golden Brown and to set my face. And then after that, guys, I'm going to put a lipstick, and this is the Hero Orange in the shades number 3. go guys, I'm done with my lashes, and then I put white eyeliner here. At naglagay na ako rito ng eyeliner dito sa aking kitalukap. And here you go guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Kung may mga suggestion kayo, wag lang kayo mahiya mag-comment, just comment down below. And all of the product that I use, I'm going to add in my description box. And then don't forget to thumbs up, share, like, and hit the notification para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong i-upload na video.